Good afternoon, dear audience. I'm Professor Mei-Hsin Wang from Royal Society of Chemistry, UK. Recently, our Honorable former Chief Judge Rader and I joined Japan IP High Court former Chief Judge Imura and Germany Federal Appellate Court Presiding Judge Voigt and President Kwang Jong-kim from Licensing Executive Society Korea, and who is currently the CEO and Chairman of Intellectual Discovery, and AIPPI Japan President Keniji Nagasawa-san, who is also the General Counsel from Canon. We're working on the book titled Law Policy and Revenue Extraction on Intellectual Property, which will be published by Cambridge Scholar Publishing. Today we are very honored to have our Honorable Judge, Professor Rader, who joined us today to discuss the current progress on IP management and whether there is other solutions or ideas how to make the world IP law policy perfect. Your Honor, you are the chairman for World Intellectual Property Forum and gave the opening speech for this conference. We're wondering, would you mind to share the highlight for this conference and the essence in your keynote speech?
Well, I think the point of this conference is to emphasize the strength of intellectual property in allowing the world to cooperate to solve human problems. The disclosure systems of the patent acts of the world give access to information and allow this cooperation to occur. And it's the great benefit of our generation to give its inventive concepts on to the next generation in this way.
Thank you, Your Honor. Apart from your teaching in George Washington University, we heard you recently from your own office focused on mediation and arbitration matters. Would you mind elaborating more about your current project on mediation and arbitration?
Yes. The courts are quite limited in their ability to deal with large disputes because of the pressure of their dockets. They can only deal with 2 or 3 patents at a time in a single case. Therefore, when you have larger cases with many patents involved, families or portfolios of patents, you really need a better system for dispute resolution, and arbitration can serve that function, where you'll have one or a group of judges who will devote significant portions of time to understanding the entire dispute, not just the patent term.
Thank you very much for your honor to share us these alternative options for corporate to think about how to deal with their IP conflicts with other companies. And Your Honor, you have dedicated your whole life resolving the conflicts on IP matters, try to make the IP law, IP policy perfect. I just wonder, would you mind share your view how individual countries they should amend or adjust their IP law to make the law more friendly for innovation, and how you were thinking you were going to help for this harmonization on global IP law or IP policy?
Well, the law should be very clear so that it can be implemented easily by business executives and the lawyers that counsel them. If the law is clear and basically the same from one jurisdiction to the next, then corporations can reach agreements based on those laws that avoid lawsuits and avoid major disputes, and they can enter into licensing agreements and facilitate this cooperation I was telling you about that allow corporations, universities, individuals to work together to solve health, communication, food production, environmental problems of all natures.
Thank you, Your Honor, for your very kind suggestion for individual country and the future, what we should do together to help this world better. Our list book is essential reading for anyone who is interested in IP, and we examine numerous pressing issues and how corporates should work together to deal with their IP problems and how to make this technology to be fast launched in the market. We hope soon we will have this opportunity to invite Your Honor come back to our program again to share the highlights and your progress on helping with IP harmonization in the world. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you.